हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। कैसे बच्चे लोग, कैसे चल रहे प्रिपरेशन। कल हम एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग का सॉल्यूशन दे दिया एज आई प्रॉमिस्ड यू। आज जियो टेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग MPSC 2022 सॉल्यूशंस फ्रॉम जियो टेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट। ये बात सुनो, MPSC में जियो टेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग से 9 क्वेश्चंस आ गया। Surprisingly, most of the questions from the second part, फाउंडेशन इंजीनियरिंग, ज्यादा वेटेज फाउंडेशन इंजीनियरिंग से आ गया हमको। एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली द लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज वेरी टफ। इट इज अप टू गेट एंड ESE लेवल। सो द क्वेश्चंस आर इक्वल टू गेट एंड ESE स्टैंडर्ड, वेरी टफ। एनवायरमेंटल बहुत आसान हो गया ना, बट फॉर्चुनेटली हमारा प्लस क्लास का नोट से पूरा क्वेश्चन सेम व्हाट वी हैव सॉल्व्ड इन प्लस क्लास, सेम क्वेश्चंस आ गया इधर, बट नॉट एट द लेवल ऑफ AEE, नॉट एट द लेवल ऑफ स्टेट एग्जाम। बहुत ज्यादा टफ लगा दिया, दैट इज अप टू द लेवल ऑफ गेट एंड ESE। सो स्टूडेंट्स फॉलो मी इन Unacademy, scan the barcode, all my special classes will come to you, all my notes will come to you. Scan the barcode, use the code KPCIVIL. And if you want to join Telegram channel, our Telegram channel is KPSR students. You will get all KPSR free class links, YouTube links, notes, materials, questions in this Telegram channel. And you want to message me personally, again KPCIVIL is my Telegram name. My personal Telegram name is KPCIVIL. You can message me directly. You can talk with me. So I am starting new batch for GATE and ESE 23 and 24. For 23 it will be ending course. For 24 it is the first subject going to start, engineering hydrology, which is going to start from 10th November. So the 2024 students, start your GATE and ESE preparation with your beloved KPSR. Use code KPCIVIL. Take your subscription in Unacademy. I assure you, if you use code KPCIVIL, you come under my personal guidance. I will take care about your preparation throughout your journey of GATE and ESE 2024. So, join Unacademy before November 10th. Start journey of GATE and ESE preparation with your beloved KPSR. So there is a special phenomena in Unacademy now, new feature. You can compete with your friends, you can invite your friend, come and compete with me and write the questions, tests in Unacademy, online exam in Unacademy. One-to-one, face-to-face. You call your friend, both you can write the exam, based on the time of completion, based on the correctness, among you who is going to win, that will be shown. A live leaderboard bhi aayega aapko. So Unacademy Combat give you gamified model of competing with your friends while writing the exam, not in a game. So we'll move on, we'll start the questions. We'll go ahead, we'll move on, we'll start the questions, guys. Now, first question. Vertical stress developed at a depth of 2 meters below the center of point load. So exactly below the center of point load, R is equal to 0. Vertical stress developed at R is equal to 0 as because it was given center of point load, and the vertical stress value is 4775 sigma Z. Sigma Z is 4775. The point load causing stress will be. So you need to find out Q value. Point load causing the stress is nothing but Q value. So 4775 is equal to, what is formula? 3 by 2 pi into Q by Z square. 3 by 2 pi into Q by Z square, because R not required, R 0, remaining formula 0 ho gaya. Now substitute in this. 4775 is equal to 3 by 2 pi into What is Z? 2 meter, 2 square. This is given a Z. Please check, this is the Z, 2 meter, 2 square. So solve this one, what you are getting Q value. Solve this one, what you are getting Q value. You are getting 40,000 Newton. 40,000 Newton is equal to 40 kilonewton. Solving that one, you will get 40,000 Newton, which is equal to 40 kilonewton. Option B. So simple straight away question, 3 by 2 pi into Q by Z square. The only problem, you understand point load at the center of the point load bol rahe, so that you can take R is equal to 0. Only that point is important. Friction piles in a fine grained soil of low permeability. Transfer the load to soil through side resistance without compacting soil. So friction piles of FGS fine grained soil. So this is the pile, fine grained soil. Low permeability, transfer load to soil through side resistance, compacting soil. These piles. So side resistance से चलेगा, साइड रेसिस्टेंस से चलेगा, एंड बेरिंग नहीं था, एंड बेरिंग नहीं था ना, एंड बेरिंग होगा तो टिप में चलेगा ना, एंड बेरिंग टिप में चलेगा. साइड रेसिस्टेंस कौन रे बाबू? फ्लोटिंग ना, फ्लोटिंग पाइल. देखो ये पिक्चर, the pile is directly in contact with it, hard soil directly contact the tip. Take, this is the tip and it is contact with the soil and with the hard soil, and it is causing compaction. That is end bearing. It's not now end bearing. It is causing side resistance. Side resistance से चल रहा है, side resistance. Friction piles will cause through side resistance. That is floating pile. Cylindrical clay sample having 80 kilonewton per meter square of cohesion, subjected to cell pressure of 100 kilonewton per meter square. Maximum deviator stress on the sample at failure. So generally we have the cohesion formula. Cohesion is equal to deviator stress by 2. Deviator stress by 2. Now you can write down deviator stress is equal to 2 into cohesion. Cohesion given already, 2 into 80. 160 kilonewton per meter square हो गया formula. Answer. देखो रे बाबा, सेम जैसा गेट में क्वेश्चंस आएगा, by giving some confusion, सेम ऐसा भी आ रहा है इधर भी. 160 kilonewton per meter square. What is the use of this 100? No use. Just to confuse. गेट एग्जाम में भी ऐसा आएगा ना, 100 kilonewton per meter square. Unnecessary data. अरे इतना आसान आ रहा है. For active earth pressure KA, एक्सप्रेशन क्या है? एक्टिव अर्थ प्रेशर के का एक्सप्रेशन क्या है? 1 plus sin phi by 1 minus sin phi. This is KP ना, KP. 1 minus sin phi by 1 plus sin phi. 1 minus sin phi by 1 plus sin phi. That is Ka, active earth pressure. चलो. Allowable maximum settlement as per IS 1904. Settlement depths are given. Type of foundation and soil type. So I told you in the class also एक छोटा सा trick. Lowest is sand, isolated foundation. Sand and isolated lowest. Next one, after the sand and isolated, next one followed by clay and isolated. So next one it's not ना, please check it out 1 minute. Next one क्या है? Next one 40 to 65. Clay and isolated. 40 to 65. Then next 65. 65 again sand on a raft foundation. Highest is for clay on raft. Highest is for clay on raft. So please, I will repeat one more time. Lowest is sand on isolated, followed by clay on isolated, followed by sand on raft. Highest is clay on raft. So पहले ऐसा लिख दो, लिखने के बाद नंबर्स दे दो रे बाबा, आंसर मिलेगा आपको, नंबर्स दे दो. So clay on raft is 4. Then B, sand isolated 1. Sand on raft C, sand on raft 3, clay on isolated 2. So क्या आ रहा है आंसर? 4132 आ रहा है आंसर, 4132 ऑप्शन डी. सो ऐसा आसान में रिमेंबर करना पड़ेगा. नो नीड टू बाय हार्ट, सिंपल रिमेंबर लाइक दिस. सैंड लोएस्ट फॉलोड बाय क्ले विच आर आइसोलेटेड, देन सैंड राफ्ट फॉलोड बाय क्ले राफ्ट. हो जाएगा. Due to provision of sand drains in the construction on a compressible soil, most of the settlement occur. As you are providing sand drains during construction, because settlement also will occur during construction, 80% of settlement will takes. During construction, it is going to take place. That is why you are providing it. The cyclic pile load test was conducted on pile foundation to determine. Cyclic pile load test is conducted on pile foundation to determine point bearing resistance. Yes, it can determine point bearing resistance. Skin friction. Yes, it also do skin friction. Means both. No? Point bearing resistance and skin friction both. But always we see option A and चले जाएगा. ऐसा मत करो, पूरा का पूरा ऑप्शंस पढ़ लो. पहले पॉइंट बेरिंग रेजिस्टेंस दिया, सेकंड स्किन रेजिस्टेंस दी, स्किन फ्रिक्शन दिया, देन बोथ पॉइंट बेरिंग एज वेल एज स्किन फ्रिक्शन. सो ऑप्शन सी. Compactive energy given in used in modified Proctor test is how many times dash, how many times more than standard Proctor test. So compactive effort C, compactive effort C from modified value. We have done all the values, derived the relationship in the class, full length class, and we got it 4.55 into C of standard Proctor test. So you can take option D. You can take option D, na? Standard Proctor test and modified Proctor test relation 4.5. A vertical excavation was made in a clay soil having unit weight of 16. It caved in after depth of digging reached 3 meter. Means what is 3 meter? It caved in after digging the depth of 3 meter. 3 meter is a critical depth. 3 meter is critical depth. What is C? Cohesion. So critical depth का relation HC का relation से cohesion चाहिए. HC is equal to 4C upon gamma into root Ka. HC is equal to 4C, HC 3, 4 into C, gamma 16 Ka. The problem is with Ka here. Clay given, when clay given phi is 0, so Ka is equal to 1. Na? Clay given phi 0, Ka is equal to 1. 1 ले लो रे बाबा, आंसर मिलेगा आपको. क्या है? C is equal to 16 into 3 by 4, 12. 12 kilonewton per meter square. Option B. So the questions and their twists are similar to GATE and ESE examination. level of theory also a bit tough, so that even you are preparing for state AEE, thoda dhyan dena padega. So we are launching new batch where we cover each and every question of GATE and ESE, state exam PSCs, everything, whatever needed for your complete hydrology, I am going to deal with it. 10th November 5:30 PM we are going to launch the batch. Join the new batch, enjoy the benefits, and then let's crack it. So please share, like, comment in the video, and share it with all your friends who have written MPSC, all your friends who are preparing for other state AEE, with all your friends who are preparing for GATE and ESE. And if you want to join our Telegram channel, KPSR students, if you want to take Unacademy subscription, KPCIVIL. Let's crack it, guys.